Hello everyone. This is regarding deploying our simple photo site onto an Amazon EC2 instance. My name is Raviteja Jidigam. As part of this project, we are deploying our simple photo site application on Amazon EC2 instance, which uses a latest version of Ubuntu predefined AMI. What actually AMI is? AMI stands for Amazon Machine Image, which is like a virtual server in the cloud. In general, AMI includes template for the root volume for the instances, and it deals with various permissions like which type of AWS accounts can access the AMIs what we have created. And PhotoSite is a simple Ruby on Rails application which deals with SQLite database. It is photo sharing web application which displays list of all users. From there we can navigate to photos and comments page of that user. So in brief, we are deploying this PhotoSite application on Amazon EC2 instance. The purpose is to understand how applications are deployed on servers in real time. Firstly, I will walk you by how to create an instance. This would be a test instance. First, we need to access this URL aws.amazon.com. Then we need to sign in. As I already had an account, I can log in. But if you are a new user, you need to log in using I am a new user and go through the registration process. I already had account, I am logging in. After logging in, it comes up with different web service provided by Amazon. As discussed, we have this we need to deploy our application EC2 instance. We are clicking through that. We are creating a new instance. This would be a test instance, so we are clicking launch instance. As mentioned, we are dealing with AMI of type Ubuntu. So here I found and I am clicking select. If we want to deal with a free type of AMIs, here we need to select this. If you want to take a paid one, we can take. Each have like different types of restrictions and cost. So I am going through free tier eligible. So I am clicking review and launch. Then after I am clicking launch. Here it comes up a pop-up page. Here we need to select a create a new key pair, and as it is a test instance, we can do like test 113 download key pair. It downloads an file with .pem extension. Then click launch instance. If we go through the EC2 dashboard, here we can find the instance which we have created recently. If you look at the second one, that is what it is initialization status right now. It will create in fraction of seconds, like test 113. This is how we will create an instance in general. Now we will discuss about the instance on which I already deployed a Ruby on Rails application. This is the instance which I already created the instance, like with my name Jidigam CS. something. Yeah. There are two ways we can deploy our application into the Amazon EC2. First way is to directly deploy through some IDEs like RubyMine. Here, if we look at that, we have we have a chance to deploy directly. Like we need to do some configuration thing, like seeing connection, this SFTP host, everything, and this SFTP host is taken from the instance. You need to match with the instance what we are, where we want to deploy it with. It comes, the SFTP host is nothing but this one, like Ubuntu at the rate of EC2. We'll talk more about that later in the. This is through UI. And we need to do some mappings, and we need to upload the ppk file. Like the other way we can do is using a list of commands, the way which I did, but we need to have a medium to connect to that. So I am using putty to directly connect to the server using the private key. So but as we putty does not accept .pem type, we need to convert into .ppk file. That is done already, and I have stored it on desktop. So I am trying to connect using putty. Run. The hostname is same as the instance which we have looked just now. This one. So I am copying it. And we are connecting to server using SSH. So we need to go through some authentication process. Here we need to give our private key for that instance which I have created before. So now it's connected. It will show some details like lost login when I lost login into that server. Then well, I go to the path of the project where I created. CD photo sites is the project name. So here we have list of commands. How I did this, the list of instructions or commands we need to follow before the deployment. As I already deployed, I am directly going through the output part. Like I am directly running. So we have this command. Here in the command what I entered, we have the address of the DNS like EC2/52/53. This is same as the address we have here like EC2. Then only the instance will run. I will try to connect this. I already had this application running. If you look at this, after getting deployed, it's running on the AMI, that EC2 US/Intex. When we click on this, the application works. You can go through that, and if when you click on this commented by John, it will work. And on each click there will be a command, there will be a SQL query that will be running, how it is fetching the data. The challenges I faced regarding the project is, as everything is new for me, like platform as a service, infrastructure as a service, like I learned many new things. Though this installation process looks like a simple, but it needs a lot of effort, like understanding each and every configuration thing. And as part of the course, we'll learn many things regarding the Amazon Web Services, like EC2, and in future also we can deploy what are the different applications that we developed onto this web service. Thanks a lot for the professor Grieve for giving this opportunity to learn. Thanks.